Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do something very interesting. We are going to find out how the year of 2022 is going to be for you. We're going to see in detail quarter wise how your year is going to be in terms of health, in terms of finances, career, blessings coming your way, changes coming your way, major blessings coming your way. We're also going to open your own goodie box in which we're going to find which god goddess are going to be with you in 2022, what is God's message for you. We're also going to see a lot of interesting things, and it's going to be so interesting. Many of you saw my last year's reading and you resonated with it, so I thought, let me make this reading really I should take time to make this reading. So as usual, you have these three options over here. Option number one is this lovely amethyst and rose quartz bracelet. Option number two is this amethyst spear. Option number three is this beautiful Shri Yantra. All the tools that you're seeing on this platform is available with my sales team. You can WhatsApp them, number given below. So you can just choose by what is calling you, or what you can do is you can have this kind of tiles in which number 1, 2 and 3 is written. You can just say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how the year is going to be, and pick up any one tile or one piece of paper. Whatever number comes, that's going to be your pile. So you can choose that way as well. So I already lit 2 candles because I felt the color of 2022 should be pink, love, harmony. So let's pray. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, bless everyone who is watching this video with love, peace, harmony, joy, prosperity, good health in 2022 and now as well, whenever they are watching this video. So let's get started. Hello Group 1, how are you guys doing? This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Today we are going to see how the new year, that is 2022, is going to be for you in detail. We're going to see your love life, your health, changes coming your way, blessings coming your way, your finances. We're also going to see with the help of these cards, what are the major positive blessings coming your way in the year 2022. We're also going to see your goodie box in which there will be which god, goddess or archangel who is with you. We're also going to see what God wants to tell you for the year 2022, like what advice is there for you. Apart from that, we will see what small or big things you will purchase in or get as gifts in the year 2022. So doesn't it sound interesting? Of course, the Wheel of Fortune is also going to be there. So I have divided this reading into 4 parts. So this is Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September and October, November, December. So we're going to remove 1 tarot card for each quarter, and then we're going to see as per your blessings and everything. Okay, so Group 1, you have chosen this lovely amethyst and rose quartz bracelet, which means in the year 2022, you are going to balance your masculine and feminine energies. You are going to use your heart and brain in the most balanced manner ever. Also, there is a huge blessings of Shiva and Shakti with you. Also, I feel that you guys are going to break some you're going to break something, okay, as in not an object. You're going to break some preconception, or you're going to be very innovative. All right, so this beautiful bracelet is available with my sales team. You can WhatsApp them, number given below. So let's get started with your tarot cards. Just seeing all of them upright, great. Group 1s, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I can literally, hear that song. My anxiety, something, that song goes that way. Literally here. So maybe some of you are really worried. Oh my god. Right. So this is, I've mixed two decks and I've taken only some few cards, which for the blessing purpose as to what blessings are coming your way in quarter wise. Alright, let's see love life. First quarter, second quarter. This reading is going to be a little longer because it's a whole year, right? We don't just want to skip. Finances. 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 Keep your book and pen ready so that you can write down, so that you have a idea as to what's coming, what changes are coming your way. Let's see your health. Let's see your career or life purpose. If you're a homemaker, then that's your career, alright? Okay, so let me keep the cards like this. So keep this card over here below so that or let me hold on, because some of you will be like, oh, but we couldn't see the cards. So we would love to see the cards in front of our eyes. Okay, so these are your 4 quarters. Let's open the first quarter, Jan, Feb, March. Wow, what a card to start with. So you have got the Sun card, which means Jan, Feb, March is going to be full of energy, joy, prosperity, travel, creative ideas. You are going to have so many ideas in your mind. You're going to feel so creative, full of energy. You're also going to feel very, very happy in general, all right? Some of you are going to receive some sort of recognition or some sort of appreciation. All right, now this is going to be a little challenging. So, okay, wow. With regards to your career, communication is going to be of importance, especially written communication. Some of you may publish a book or may start writing a book, or you may start creating some project which is going to be divinely guided. Alright, over here. Okay, that's your next card, health. Consult a nutritionist. So yes, you will have to pay attention to your diet, what you're eating in the first quarter. You will consult a nutritionist, or you will pay attention to your health, and you're going to put your health as a priority. Let's see the next card, blessing. Travel. Wow, look at this. You did get the Sun card and travel. So some of you are definitely traveling either physically in Jan, Feb, March, or you may travel from one position in life to another, but I do see physical travel for some of you. Okay, please note this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not. Love life, release. So in terms of your love life, whether you're single, married, or in a relationship, you need to compromise. Compromise is going to be very important. You need to let go of all that which is not serving you. If you have some sort of mindset or thought process regarding how your partner should be or how your partner should behave, then you need to kind of relook at it. Alright, so release. Let's see your finances. Detox your friendship. So I feel that some of you have friends who are affecting your finances, so you need to keep those away from your life. All right, this is one of the points which I do cover in my prosperity workshop. Your friends determine your prosperity. If you have friends who have the habit of investment, savings, of managing the finances in a very awesome way, even you will adopt that. Whereas if you have friends who are in the habit of talking about debts, or who are constantly spending money frivolously, then even you may catch on that habit. So you need to detox some of your friendship, because that's affected by your friends or people around you. Okay, now let's see changes. Leaving. So detoxing your friendship and leaving. So this clearly means that some of you are going to leave something which is not serving you in any manner and move towards better things, better aspects, better people. All right, let me keep your card over here. Now let's see your second quarter, group 1. So wow, 2 major arcana. So after Sun, you have got the Chariot card, which means you are going to move ahead. You're going to really look ahead. You're going to go ahead with your plans. You're going to be very successful. You are going to experience lot of progress. There would be somebody who will guide you. Also in the second quarter, I see travel with the Chariot card. I also see that you will be using divine guidance, listening to your intuition a lot in order to move ahead. There will be a lot of downpour of wisdom, so listen to it. You will also be in connect with the divine angelic realm. So, a lot of rituals and all that you're going to do as well. That's what I'm hearing in the quarter 2, that is April, May, June. I also am hearing some of you are going to work with animals or adopt animals, or maybe do charity regarding animals in some ways, what I am hearing. Definitely, again, a lot of recognition, rewards. You're going to be unstoppable in April, May, June, guys. This is so beautiful. All right, so let's see your quarter 2. Let's start with your career. Leadership. Very interesting. You got the Chariot card and leadership over here. So yes, whether you are a homemaker, whether you are a business person, or a corporate career, you are going to take lead. You are going to take responsibility. You are going to take charge of your life, of your career, of your business, of your home, or of situation which you would be facing. So you're going to take it in your stride clearly. All right, let's see your next card. All right. Also, some of you with the Chariot card, some of you may either buy a vehicle, or you may get, some of you may get vehicle as gift, or some of you may have to service your vehicle. So these are general readings, guys, so take what resonates and leave what does not. We got over here meditation. So as I said, you're going to get a lot of downloads, so it's important that you meditate, that you pay attention to all the guidance that you're getting. Also, peace of mind is very important, since the two quarters over here, Jan, Feb, March, the first 6 months are going to be action packed. Okay, so it's very important that you stay calm and meditate, so that your health becomes better. Let's see changes. We'll see the changes card later. Let's see the blessing coming here. Business venture. Wow. So you are going to get there's a new business idea that you are going to get, or a career opportunity. You should pay attention to it and follow it. The ones who are in business, your business is going to grow. There are going to be opportunities. The ones who are in corporate career may decide to start your own business. The ones who are homemakers may also decide to go ahead, in terms of having a business of their own, or some sort of commission based also, I feel. or maybe your spouse business would really go ahead. Let's see. Oh, let's go. No, love. Oh, different pages. So it may so happen that you would be so busy with the situation that you and your partner, whether you are in a relationship or married, may not be in the same page. If you are single, then this you may meet someone who will not have the same goals as you have with regards to how your life should be ahead. So that is going to happen in April, May, June. Let's see. Okay, do the work. So since you have got leadership business venture, you need to take action with regards to get money. All right, now this just dreaming or praying is not going to help you. You also need to take action to get the abundance which you are meant to have. Since the divine would be giving you ideas, these ideas will lead to opportunities which in turn will lead to a lot of growth. So pay attention to that and take action. Let's see. Motivation. The change coming your way is motivation. You are going to feel so motivated, driven. The willpower in quarter 2 is going to be very high, and not surprising with the leadership card. Now let's see your third quarter. Wow, group 1. Group 1, you guys are till now the cards that you have got all 3 major arcanas. So 2022 is going to be a very, very, very important year for you, full of growth, recognition, rewards, happiness. This is so awesome. In the quarter July, August, September, you are going to get recognition, appreciation for your work. You're also going to mentor someone is what I'm getting. As well, you're going to be in touch with your conscious, subconscious mind as well. A lot of amazing growth happening in the first 9 months, guys. Also, you may pay attention to your body, to fitness levels and things like that. Yes, and there will be a lot of spiritual growth as well. Okay, let's see your career. We did get the glimpse of abundance, didn't we? Freedom. Wow. So you are going to be able to, you are going to feel freedom. Okay, whether you are a homemaker or a corporate person or a business person, there is going to be some sort of support coming your way which will make you feel very free. You will be given a free hand to do what you feel like, and you're going to experience a lot of freedom with regards to your work. All right, let's see your health. Expect a miracle. So wow, star is a card of healing, and you got expect a miracle. So yes, your health is going to improve. You're going to experience shift in your health. Also, please note, this is not meant to replace doctor's advice or medicine. Let's see what blessings are coming your way. Oh my God, abundance. And see how the star card over here and the abundance card are resonating with each other. So a lot of money coming your way. You are going to feel so amazing with the financial flow, and that is going to result in freedom, which we saw. I'm going to keep your card over here for some time. Let's have a sequence. Okay, let's see your love life. Trust. So whether you are single, married, or you are in a relationship, trust that everything is going to be all right. You are going to get the love that you truly deserve. All right, let's see abundance. Money will come your way if you focus on what you want and not what you fear. So ensure that you're also paying attention to what visions you're getting, because those visions are going to help you to get more money in your life. Okay, let's see changes coming. You are changing your mind. So earlier what you were thinking, you may decide that, hey, I don't want to do this, I want to do this. So something which you had thought your path is going to be, you may decide to shift it. All right, this is so beautiful. And the abundance card, let me keep over here. All right, so lovely. Till now your year looks good. Now let's see the last quarter. Okay, Okay, I hope you're writing down. Okay, so you know what, guys, this is okay. All right, this is okay. Since your 9 months are so good, and this is a card of worry, it does not mean something wrong is going to happen to you. It just means that you are going to take a lot of anxiety and worry. Obviously, because if your 9 months have gone so well, you may start thinking, what if things don't continue? You may start feeling insecure because of all that you have achieved. So it is all right. You may have some sleepless nights, but this is a minor arcana. This energy you can change if you do prayers in the first 3 quarters. Then this energy can be also made positive. All right, so don't worry about this card. Don't be like, oh my god. Okay, keep your card over here. Now let's see your other card. Let's see your life purpose goal. So yes, you know, you are going to learn something, and this learning is going to help you. You may also teach. All right, but learning is something which is going to be very major. If you have children, it may so happen that you will be paying attention to them, because of which you may kind of be distracted from your work. This is not for all of you, some of you. Also, you know, I feel that you are going to learn something very important, which may be a little difficult and which may make you feel, oh my god, you know, this is a little bit overwhelming. Let's see your health. Easy does it. So take it easy. With the 9 of Swords card, okay, now this is a card of sleepless night, insomnia, poor sleeping pattern. So you know, take it easy. That's going to help your health. Okay, I love how the cards, when they are in sync, you know. Now let's see the blessing coming your way. Success. So see, you're unnecessarily worrying. You're unnecessarily worrying. You are going to get the blessing of success. So why worry? There is no need to worry at all. Let me keep your card over here. Let's see your love life. Obsession. So it may so happen that now, you know, this card could be because of, it could be that, you know, whether you're single, married, or in a relationship, somebody will try to constantly think about you, which may kind of, you know, make cards around you and make you have sleepless nights. So it's important that you clear your energy. I kind of teach that in my Universe Has My Back workshop, which will be next year now. But till that time, you can see the protection playlist that I have on this channel that can also help you. Okay, let's see your next card. Unlimited ideas. So you're going to have unlimited ideas which will lead you to success. So ensure that, you know, you are paying attention to the ideas that you are getting. All right, see over here. Okay, because these ideas are God's way of telling you how you can make more money. Let's see changes coming your way. Keep the faith. So again, okay, so the situation is not going to be bad. You are the one who are going to unnecessarily take, you know, you may feel overwhelmed. So don't worry, take support, take counseling if required, take help, but don't let it, you know, kind of affect you. All right, so beautiful. So group 1, your year looks fantastic to me. Now let's see what blessings are going to come your way. Okay, this is the major blessings. All right, so let me just open. You're also going to see your goodie box. So 1, 2. So this is not quarter wise, this is in general. All right, 3. Okay, let's remove one more. What say? This is not quarter wise, this is in general. Okay, so let's see first. Finding what is lost. Something that you have lost, you're going to get it in the year 2022. Okay, as I said, this is not quarter wise. Siblings. Okay, so maybe a relationship which you are missing with your sibling, that may happen, or something good regarding your sibling may happen. Your sibling may get married, have a child, or your relationship with them may improve. That's your next card. Fame. Look at this. You did get the Star card. All right, and fame, and it just happened to be in this. So definitely you guys are going to get fame. Okay, you got over your toxic person leaving. So somebody who is toxic in your life, could be a boss, could be anyone who is toxic. Either they are going to leave, or the toxicity that they have in them is going to leave. All right, so this is your blessings. Now let's see which box is applicable to you. Let me open this. You've got the green box. All right, let's see. Your box is very interesting, guys. Okay, let me give you a glimpse of it. All right, so first we are going to see which god, goddess are going to be with you. All right, so let's see. You have got over here first Archangel Michael. So you're going to have Archangel Michael with you. I hope you guys will write it down, because this time screenshot is not possible since the space is not that much. You've got over here Bhadrakali, the goddess of darkness, who removes darkness, is going to be with you. So you've got over here worldly power, earthly enjoyment, fearlessness in battle, access to feminine power and virtues. Alright, so clearly with the Michael and goddess of darkness card, Bhadrakali, since you're going to have such a fantastic year, alright, the first 9 months, there may be some negativity which you may attract, for which Archangel Michael and goddess Bhadrakali will clear it out. Okay, let's see what goddess Lakshmi is going to bless you with. Okay, let's see this. I, goddess Gajalakshmi, have come to you along with Lord Narayana to bless you with achievements, royalty, prosperity, good luck and splendor. Be kind to animals, be grounded and ethical. Wow, this is so good. So this card is kind of summarizing all that we got. Now let's see what is God's message for you. All right, let's open it. Wisdom, knowledge, joy and ideas. And we did see you unlimited ideas, joy over here. Wow, this is so good. That's God's message for you. Let me keep it over here. Okay, let's see what else God wants to tell you. Know your worth. Okay, know your worth. Ensure that you are not undermining your self-worth in any way. Now let's see what objects, big or small, you may buy or get as gift. You have got over here spiritual products. So you may be either buying them or getting them as gifts. Let's see the next product or material thing. Good clothes. Wow, so you're going to buy some really awesome clothes. Let's see what else you have got over here. You have got world. My God, look at this. You got the Bhadrakali card, which spoke about a worldly power. Okay, over here. And look at that. My God, group 1, your year is rocking. So this is energy. You have to make most of this energy, right? You got Cupid, so a lot of love coming your way. Admiration, love. Alright. Oh, this is just magnet. So you're going to attract things like a magnet. Okay, you got this smiling face with the crown, so definitely a lot of achievements happening, which even Bhadrakali card said. You got plane over here, so definitely first 2 quarters, so you're definitely traveling. So okay, lovely. That's so beautiful, group 1. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question, group 1, and let me spin the wheel for you. Trust. So some of you were thinking, is my year going to be so good? What if it doesn't go good? It's just words. So the angels are telling you to trust. Everything is going to happen in divine timing and in your favor. Group 1, I hope you enjoyed this reading. I would take you closer if you want to take a screenshot of the tarot cards. Okay. I'll also kind of take you over here with regards to what you have got, in case if you want to take a screenshot. Okay. Alright, so take care. Bye-bye. Hello group 2, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. I'm so happy to present before you this awesome reading, which is how the year 2022 is going to be for you. We're going to see in detail your career, your love life, blessings coming your way, health. We're also going to see from this card what are the major positive changes happening in your life in 2022. We're also going to see your goodie box, in which we're going to see which god, goddess, archangel is with you, what is the universe message, what a small or big gifts you may buy or you may receive. And yes, lot more. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So if you're new to my channel, guys, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre. Welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me when you come back. All right. So let's start with this amazing amethyst ball. So in the year 2022, you are going to be protected, you're going to be prosperous, you're going to feel a lot of downloads, a lot of ideas are going to come your way. So pay attention to them, as those ideas are going to really help you a lot in terms of going ahead. Now let's see your cards. Quarter 1. So we're going to divide it Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and October, November, December. All right. Let's keep your cards over here. Let's start with changes coming your way in the year 2022. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter. And oh, look at this, a Raphael message. Let me keep it over here. Let's see what the message was any which way. Divine intervention. Okay. Alright. So changes coming your way is divine intervention. Alright, let's see major blessings coming your way. So I have removed some important cards from 2 different decks to see the major blessings coming your way. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Alright, your love life. So group 2, I sense mixed energy. For some of you, your love life has become better. For some of you, it has messed up. Okay, so I cannot getting this mixed energy. Normally, it's very clear energy. It's either messed up or but it's kind of in between for you. This is because you are now taking stand for yourself. All right, you're not taking the way other people would behave or would treat you. Finances, health, I feel that people don't understand you. You feel misunderstood a lot of time. Even though you do for others, you don't get that back. Get that back actually. See your career. But don't worry, God is seeing all the good that you are doing, and you will get it back, not from the same person or same situation, but definitely you are going to get it back from the universe. The universe is watching your kindness and it's appreciating you. I'm just arranging it, guys. Let's start with your first quarter of Jan, Feb, March. Drum rolls. Da-da-da. Okay. Wow. This is amazing. Even group 1 had got the same card. Like literally I kept the card back, I shuffled and what are the chances? Okay. So Jan, Feb, March is going to be sunny, bright, happy, prosperous, creative ideas flowing. Some of you are trying for a baby, may get good news. Some of you are going to travel. You're going to have so much of fun in the sun. All right, this is a very good energy to get. You're going to be victorious. You're going to be successful in the month of Jan, Feb, March. Lovely. I feel you guys were confused between group 1 and group 2. Okay, now let's see your other cards. First, life purpose. Artist. Wow, with the sun card and the artist card, I am not surprised. So you are going to do something creative. Your life purpose is, you getting involved in artistic activities, whether you're a homemaker or a career corporate career person or a business person. You're very creative. Even if you want to do any activity, if it is given to you, you do it in the most creative manner possible. So definitely lot of creativity. Oops, but be careful with the creativity, all right, because some of you don't share it till it is done, because there's a chance of someone trying to copy it. Okay, let's see your health. Home health. So you are going to get some support in your family, which is going to improve your health, because this support is going to give you some mental peace which you really require. Let's see your finances. Bountiful nature. So lot of money coming your way. Also, there would be a lot of nurturing happening. You are going to experience abundance. You're also going to share this abundance by nurturing nature around you. I feel that some of you are going to travel to a place where there's nature, where there is nature, where there's a lot of natural surroundings. So love card just fell. Regret. Someone feels remorse for the way they treated you. So whether you're single, in relationship or married, you may receive an apology from someone who feels bad for the way they treated you, all right, or someone is going to express to a friend that, hey, I should have treated that person in a better manner, and that person may come and tell you that, what, that so and so regrets the way they treated you, and that's going to give you that closure that you wanted. Now these are general readings, guys, so take what resonates and leave what does not. Let's see the blessings coming your way in quarter one. Business venture. Wow. So you are going to get some new business idea or a career opportunity. Try and follow it. If you are a homemaker, your husband may get something like that, or your wife may get something like that, and you may support that your partner in the business. I also feel that you may get some commission based work as well, but definitely good for business. All right, get some rest. So since you're going to be so busy, you need to take some rest. That's a change coming your way, which means you're going to take some time out, and because of the home help, you're going to take it easy, and you're going to be like, let me just rest it out. Now let's see your quarter two. The Page of Cups. So you are going to receive some emotional good news in quarter two, which is April, May, June. It could be there could be an addition in the family or extended family in the form of marriage, birth of a child, engagement. Yes, this emotional good news could also make you feel really very happy. There will be somebody younger than you who is going to really make you feel proud, is what I'm getting. Now let's see your other cards. So first 6 months looks beautiful, group 2. Let's see your life purpose or career. Writing. Wow, this is amazing. So written communication is going to be of importance, whether you're a homemaker or you are a career or corporate career or a business person. You are going to spend time writing. Paperwork is going to be important. Also, you're going to help somebody young as well. There could be a lot of divine guidance coming your way in the quarter 2. Yes, some of you may decide to write that book which you always wanted to publish, but you did not have time. Organic food. So your health is going to improve. You're going to pay attention to your health by eating healthy. It's very important that you're nourishing your body in quarter 2, guys. So pay attention to your diet. Eat what's healthy for you. Okay, let's see your abundance card, finance card, gratitude list. So in order to increase the inflow of money, you have to ensure that you are counting your blessing, not complaining or cribbing. You are really feeling, you see, it's not at times you may not really feel grateful, and it is okay. You can just sit down and make a note of all the things which you are grateful for. This way you're shifting your mindset by from complaining to being grateful. So at times it is all right to to kind of program your mind. All right, it's okay to not feel grateful, it's okay to not feel grateful, but it's important that you don't give energy to it and you take steps to change that attitude or change that frame of mind, because whatever we give energy to multiplies. Let's see your love life. Stability. Okay, so if you are single, you may meet someone with whom you feel that this is it, or this is a very important a relationship, and that's why you have got over here Page of Cups as well. If you are married or in a relationship, then your relationship is going to be more stable. Okay, or you may experience stability as a couple, maybe in your finances, maybe in your career. Let's see the changes coming your way. New career. Wow. So some of you are going to receive some good news with regards to your career, and you're going to feel so good about it. Let's see the blessing. Abundance. Wow, this is amazing. Look at this, guys. New career and abundance. So some of you are literally going to have an opportunity in your career which is going to bring you abundance. If you're a homemaker, your husband may get that, or maybe you may get something like that. If you're into business, there will be a shift in your business for the better, which is going to bring in a lot of abundance. Wow, this is so amazing. Okay, now let's see your quarter 3. Today I'm singing too much. Okay. All right. Okay. So, in July, August, September, you may experience some sort of a loss or disappointment, which may make you feel a little bit low. But you know what, guys? This is a minor arcana. You can change this energy with prayers, with rituals. So on my channel there are various playlists, so you can just and on my Insta handle, my Facebook page, a lot of prayers. You can just read one of it, or so that your energy changes. All right, so yeah, but there is going to be some sort of loss or disappointment. So let's see the other cards. Let's see your career or life purpose. Healer. Okay, so this particular loss or disappointment may make you look towards healing. Okay, so you're going to ensure that either if you are already a healer, it may so happen that you may experience someone else having this issue and you will heal them. All right, or you may try and heal this issue by yourself. You may realize that you have the ability to heal by words, by prayers, by rituals, by taking action, by guiding someone. Healing doesn't always have to be physical only. It can be emotional as well, spiritual as well. That's your health. Increase energy. So it's very important that you take care of the heat levels in your body. You will feel energetic, you'll feel very good, but ensure that you're also staying hydrated. All right. Okay, let's see your abundance card. Block out distractions. So there would be something which may make you feel distracted. So focus on your priorities. Take one day at a time. Do not try to do things in a rush. That's not going to help. All right. So here it is. So focus on your priorities. Let's see your love life. Wait. So whether you're single, married, or in a relationship, you need to wait. As a couple, you need to kind of wait before you move ahead. Be patient. As a single person, you may meet someone, or it may so happen that you may want to get married or take the relationship to the next level a bit soon. However, wait it out. Let's see the blessing. Marriage. Wow. So this could mean partnership. This is a blessing coming your way. So your love life is definitely going to improve. Now, if that's the case, then why the wait card? It means that, for some of you, you may want to, you may just want to rush into things. All right, so understand your partner's comfort as well. Okay, if you are shortlisting maybe the caterers, maybe the photographer, for that you need to kind of wait before you take a proper call on whom to finalize. But definitely love life is going to be better. There could be partnership, you and your partner may do something new, or there could also be in general there could be partnerships happening, right, with regards to work or with regards to some sort of support. Let's see changes coming your way. Healthcare change. All right, so over here you may take certain decisions with regards to your health, how you are healing yourself, and that's why you got the card of healer as well. You may get an insurance policy, or renew some of it, or you may just ensure that you are making your health a priority. Okay, now let's see your fourth quarter. Okay, Seven of Swords. Now interestingly, group 2, don't worry, you got 2 minor arcana cards, and even this is a minor arcana card. Okay, so this card means that you need to be very cautious. Somebody may try to cheat you. Also, it's very important that you follow the path of ethics. It's important that you get the right treatment for your health as well, or for a loved one. Now let's see your other cards. Oracle cards. So some of you are going to see a lot of videos regarding YouTube pick a card reading. Some of you may visit a card reader and you will get guidance regarding who is trying to cheat you or manipulate you. Now this is your life purpose, which means your intuition is very, very high, especially in the month of October, November, December. So listen to your gut when it's telling you that somebody is trying to cheat you. All right, you're going to get a lot of answers. So you some of you may even learn tarot card or oracle cards. Let's your health. Call upon Archangel Raphael for help. So whether you need to find a good doctor, or whether you need to get the right treatment, call upon Archangel Raphael to help you, and he will guide you towards the right treatment, towards the right doctor, to the right consultation. Okay. Now let's see about your finances. Organize for success. So this is such a beautiful card. Your finances are definitely going to improve. See, it may so happen that this may be intimidating you. You may feel, I do not know whether I'll be successful or not. But don't worry. Ensure that you're taking action, you're clear, all the paperwork is done properly, so that you are successful. You're ready for the success that is going to come your way. Let's see your love life. Children. Alright, so if you're single and when you're meeting someone, it's important that you talk to them about what plans you have with regards to having children. Or it may so happen that some of you may date someone who already has a child, or you may be having a child and you may be single, divorced, So children are going to be an important part of your talk. If you're married, then some of you are going to focus on your children, or you may try for conceiving. Okay, let's see the blessing coming your way. New career. Wow, you got new career in second quarter, which is April, May, June, and again new career, which means the blessing coming your way is that your business, see, career wise, I don't see any issues. Okay, you're definitely going to grow ahead in terms of career. If you're a homemaker, then it could be your husband's career or your wife's career. It's going to move in the right direction, or you may take up something which is going to really be a career move. All right, let's see the changes coming your way. Sentimental feelings. So you may feel a little bit emotional. All right, so ensure that you have help to process your emotions. Wow, this is so amazing. Now let's see the blessings coming, major blessings coming your way. So this I'm not going to remove quarter wise. All right, I'm just going to remove in general. So it could be at any time of the year, okay, not particularly first quarter or second quarter. Let's see the first quarter. Body changes. All right, so obviously there are going to be positive body changes. You may lose weight, gain weight, you may be your ideal body weight, or you may do some changes with regards to you may get a tattoo, or you may get your hairstyle changed, or some sort of makeover, all right, which is going to make you feel very young and happy, okay, young at heart, okay. Rewards and recognition. So a lot of rewards, recognition coming your way in 2022. Social invitation and contacts. So you're going to get invitation, your contacts, networking is going to improve. There will be some important contact which you're going to make. Pursuing a hobby. You got the artist card in the first quarter, and the writing. So definitely you're going to pursue some hobby for which you did not have time before. This is so amazing. Now let's see which goodie box is applicable to you. Okay, the floral box. Now let's see what's there in your box. Let me give you a glimpse of your box first. We're going to see what things you're going to buy. Okay, what is God's message for you as well. So first, let's see what things you may buy or you may get as gifts. Solitaire. Oh my goodness. So some of you are going to buy some solitaire item. You got mobile phone. Some of you are going to either buy a mobile phone or you may get a mobile phone as a gift. Let's see which god, goddess are with you and what they're trying to tell you. So you have got the sun god who is with you, which means honor, status, fame, reunion with one's beloved, freedom from disease and ailment, general vitality, respect and power. So Lord Surya, sun god, is going to help you with the same. Mother Mary is with you in 2022 and she is telling you to nurture yourself. All right, this is lovely. Now let's see which goddess, what goddess Lakshmi is with you, what form of goddess Lakshmi. You have got goddess Dhanalakshmi, which means I, goddess Dhanalakshmi, have come to you along with Lord Narayana to bless you with immense financial wealth. Do charity and keep your speech sweet. So a lot of money coming your way, group 2. So financially, everything is going to be great, okay, in the year 2022, because you have got a lot of cards which spoke about finances as well. Let's see God's message for you. Alright, you got sudden luck and big happy changes. Wow, so a lot of positive changes happening in your life. Let me keep it over here. Let's see one message which the divine wants to give you. Receive. So be open to receiving. Don't say no, I don't want support, I don't want money, I don't want your help. Be open to receiving. You are a giver, but you need to receive as well. You got over here. If you never go, you will never know. So be adventurous, try something new. You got over here the moon charm, which means sort of creativity, abundance coming your way. Also, you need to process your emotions, so take help. You got over here nail polish, so a lot of makeover happening as well. You got over here camera, so either you'll buy a camera or you may take a lot of pictures of yourself and post on social media. Lovely group 2. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. Soon. So whatever you're asked for, the answer is soon. So group 2, your first 6 months looks really great. The next 6 months energy you can change by doing prayers and rituals from the starting of the year. If you do it, then this complete energy will change. So don't worry. All right. So I'll take your camera a bit ahead for you to take picture in case if you want. Alright, let me also take a camera little over here like this if you want to. But I hope you're writing down whatever the cards are telling us. Alright, group 2, I hope you enjoyed this reading. Take care, bye-bye. Hello group 3, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. You've chosen this beautiful Shri Yantra, which means you have the ability to create your 2022. You can work with Law of Attraction Shri Yantra to create whatever it is that you want to manifest and remove whatever it is that you do not desire. You are also connected to Goddess Lakshmi in some way or the other. She is there protecting you, and she is also there with you with regards to help you to work with the energies of what you want to manifest. So let's see your cards. We'll first start with your tarot cards. So we are going to see your year quarter wise: Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So let's shuffle the cards. Quarter 1. Group 3 is quarter 2. Group 3 is quarter 3. Group 3 is quarter 4. Alright. So first let me keep your tarot cards over here so that we can see the other cards. Okay, alright. Let's see the blessings coming your way. Let's see your love life. I think you used to do some prayers, rituals which you have stopped, so you need to start doing that again, guys. Prayers, ritual help us to have a good energy. Changes coming your way. And future is never written in stone. You can always change your future with action, prayers, charity, your life purpose. Okay. I was guided to keep your cards like that beforehand itself. Finances, 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 finances. Wants to come. We're also going to see about which god, goddess are with you, what they're trying to tell you, their message, what big, small, big gifts you may or products you may buy or get as gifts. Let's see the cards one by one. We'll start first with the tarot card, the High Priestess. So lot of spiritual growth, spiritual connect happening in Jan, Feb, March. Some of you may visit some spiritual place or you may learn some spiritual modality. You will feel like you are in touch with the divine self. You may also visit a psychic to get to know how the rest of the year is going to be. You will feel very connected and very intuitive. So listen to your intuition and don't ignore it. Ensure that you keep things to yourself before sharing it with others. At times you may have some sort of phases wherein you would just want to be alone and spend time with yourself. Do that because that's going to really help you to heal. Some of you may work with Akashic records or read books on that. Also, your manifestation is going to be very high. Pay attention to it. You have the ability to create what you desire. All right, now let's see your cards. Wow, big happy changes. In the first quarter, Jan, Feb, March, you are going to experience some sort of a change which is going to be amazing for you. You have got interference. So somebody, an external party, may try to interfere into your love life if you're married or committed. It could be, your at times parents can also interfere, or a friend could be, or maybe work. So don't let anybody interfere between you and your partner. If you're single, then it may so happen that somebody is like the person whom you like may also like someone else. Okay, that could be a situation. Let's see the changes coming your way. Hobbies. So you are going to spend time pursuing a hobby. I feel this hobby is going to be spiritual, or to get in touch with your inner wisdom. Let's see your life purpose. Healer. Wow. So you heal people. It could be with your words, it could be with your work. All right. So whether you're a homemaker, corporate career woman, man, or a business person, you have this ability to heal by what you do. All right. So keep that going. Keep that going. Let's see the next card. Abundance mindset. You need to create an abundance mindset in order to grow ahead in life and to attract more money. You tend to have at times a scarcity mindset that's kind of affecting you. Also, please do not discuss your plans with others before it comes to fruition. That's because you do not want something to get affected before it comes completely into existence. All right. Now, when I talk about abundance mindset, it is not in clash with protecting your dreams. Okay, that's one of the abundance mindset a person should have. Okay, let's see your health. Forgiveness, healed. So it would be a good idea to forgive anyone who is kind of affected you in a very bad manner. Also, if it is required for you to seek forgiveness, please do that. So some of you are either going to forgive someone, or there could be someone who will ask for your forgiveness. All right, now let's see quarter 2. You have got 7 of Swords. So you're going to be very street smart in the second quarter. Also be cautious. Someone may try to cheat you. Do not fall into anyone's trap. All right, it's important that you safeguard what is yours. All right, some of you may even get some sort of you may relook at your sources of business, sources of information as well. Let's see the blessing coming your way. Business ventures. So with regards to business and the 7 of Swords, this is a blessing, which means you are going to find some vendors who are going to give you good quality product, or you're going to cut down with regards to your cost, and that's going to help your business. Or you're going to have some really good strategies in place which are going to be very street smart and are going to help you in your business. Okay, if you are into a corporate, it may see whether you're into a corporate or a business. This 2 card means someone who has cheated you is going to get their karma. All right. However, you be ethical. You follow the path of ethics. This goes for homemakers too. So if somebody was meddling in your business by the 7 of Swords energy, they're going to get their karma. Wow, look at this. Finances. So it may so happen that if you're single, you're paying more attention to earning more money than focusing on your love life. Try and strike a balance. Whether you are single or whether you're married or committed, you need to pay attention to your partner, because it may so happen that financial challenges or paying more attention to finances is affecting your love life. Let's see your health. Diet is important here, so pay attention to what you are eating. Eat healthy food that will nourish your body, nurture your body. Some of you may even take an appointment with a nutritionist. Let's see your life purpose. Oracle cards. All right, so some of you are able to either use an oracle card or your intuition or some sort of divination tool, and you're able to predict or guide people. Okay, at times, people may not use any divination tool, but they are able to guide others so beautifully. They may say, if you do this, this is going to happen. All right, and that does happen. Or I feel that this is going to be this way. So what basically they are doing is they're listening to their intuition and then forecasting something. Okay, so whether you are listening to your intuition using divination tools, you are going to get a lot of answers. You may also watch a lot of content on pick a card readings, or you may even think of having your own channel with regards to pick a card as well. Decisions. So you are going to take some very important decisions in the week in April, May, June, and these decisions are going to be a game changer. Clean energy, food and diet. So some of you who are in the food business, you are going to earn a lot of money via food. Also, it's very important that you raise your vibrations by eating good food so that you become a magnet. All right, let me keep your card over here. Let's see your third quarter, July, August, September. So you are going to receive some good news in the third quarter, and this good news could be with regards to your personal life or some news that you have been wanting to hear. There is going to be an addition in the family via a marriage or engagement or via a child, or it could be in extended family. You may receive some social invitation to attend some function. Let's see the cards over here. It got over here. Yes, wow. So I literally feel some of you are going to have a child coming. Okay, that's quite possible. If that's the case, then that's why the cards want you to be quiet, and be discreet about it. Okay, however, the ones the others who are like, hey, we don't want to have a child, we already have children, or that's not where we want to go. So this is your health card, which means that whatever, you're going to be very positive about your health. Things are going to really go your way with regards to your health. You also want to take good care of your health. Okay, let's see your finances. Employment change. So there would be some sort of change happening in your business or career which is going to improve your finances. It could be a positive shift in your career. If you're a homemaker, it could be in your spouse's career as well. Let's see your environmentalist. So you are very environmental conscious. You pay attention to environment by choosing organic food, by being a vegetarian. So you really like to keep things toxins free. So you are going to work with nature and animals in quarter July, August, September. Let's see your love life. Boundaries. Whether you're single, married or in a relationship, it is very important that we demarcate our boundaries and we don't let narcissists or toxic people define or erase the boundaries that we have established. All right, it's very, very important that they know their limits. So do that in terms of your love life. Let's see the blessing coming your way. Improving health. Wow, you also got the yes card in the healing thing. So your health is going to improve. You're going to feel so good. Okay, but do take the doctor's medicine and advice. Welcome the new, with this card, which is Page of Cups, and welcome the new. It's not surprising. So definitely it could be any positive change which is really a new beginning happening in your life in quarter 3. Now, quarter 4, you got Queen of Swords, which means you need to be very practical. You need to use your brain. You need to keep your words assertive but not toxic or harsh. Also, there is going to be a woman who is going to help you in October, November, December. This could be a spiritual teacher as well. You need to be ready for transformation, and there will be somebody who will help you in this transformation. All right. Now let's see your cards one by one. For health, your God, ask your body for a message. So our body constantly gives us a message. Hey, drink water. Hey, exercise. Hey, don't eat that. So you need to listen to the messages that your body is trying to give you. Let's see your finances. Donation, teaching, and charitable work. So when you give someone happily and without putting it on social media, you're spreading a lot of joy, you're spreading a lot of happiness, and you're spreading good energy, and whatever you spread comes back to you. So ensure that you are donating or giving positive energy. That's going to really improve your finances. Okay, that's your life purpose. Teaching, not surprising with the Queen of Swords. Some of you are going to teach others. Okay, your life purpose does involve teaching you, whether you're a homemaker or a corporate career business person. You're a very good mentor. Okay, you may be teaching your own kids. However, your life purpose involves teaching. If you could be a life coach, trainer, or maybe professor. So ensure that you are paying attention and you're nicer to people whom you're teaching to. Let's see the blessing coming your way. New home. Over here you got welcome to the new. So some of you are either buying a new home or buying new stuff for your home, but the blessing that you're going to receive is moving into a new home, or it could be a renovation as well. Okay, now let's see friendship. So the friendship is leading to more. So the ones who are single, you may meet somebody interesting via contact, or it is quite possible that you may start dating a friend. The ones who are in a relationship or married, a friend may help you to resolve a conflict, or you may become more better friends with your partner. And don't get distracted by your friends. All right, family changes. So definitely there could be addition happening in your family, or maybe you will remove somebody who is toxic from your family as well. With the Queen of Swords, that's quite possible, but there would be some sort of changes in your family. Okay, lovely group 3. Now let's see what blessings are coming your way. Major blessings. So this I'm not going to remove quarter wise. I'm just going to remove 4 blessings. All right, I close my eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see that. You got over your success and opportunity. That's a major blessing coming your way in 2022. You got freedom. So something which was kind of binding you, you're going to feel free. Body changes. Did you get the body changes card by any chance? Let me check. Which is this card? Hobbies. Okay. So it could be that your body may change. You may make body changes by paying attention to your nutrition levels, to your hydration levels, as well to your fitness levels. In short, that's a major blessing coming your way. Rewards and recognition. So you're going to receive a lot of appreciation and rewards in the year 2022. Now let's see what your box is telling us. We are going to see which god, goddess, archangels are with you. Let me give you a glimpse of your box. All right. Okay. So let's start first with what, oh my god, look at this. You got home. Now this you may either buy or you may get as gift. All right. And you got over here in the fourth quarter home. This is a double confirmation, guys. Lovely. So home it is, or maybe renovation. You got over here back makeup perfumes. So either you may buy this or get this as a gift. Let's see which god, goddess are with you. You got over here purification. So White Tara, goddess White Tara is with you, and she's going to purify your life. She's going to remove all the toxic energy. You got goddess Saraswati. Again, White Tara and goddess Saraswati is wearing a white. So a lot of learning happening, and you did get the card of teaching over here as well. So goddess Saraswati is with you. She is blessing you with a lot of knowledge and learning. Okay, I'm so sorry. You got over here success in education, perfection of memory, enhanced intellectual ability, mastery of musical instruments. Okay, so goddess Saraswati is with you. Wow. Or you may have something to do with education. You got goddess Dhanya Lakshmi. Alright, which means she's saying she has come with Lord Narayana to bless you. Will always have delicious food to eat, attractive clothing to wear. You did get the bag, makeup and perfume as well to wear, and a spacious home to live. Oh my god, this is the third confirmation, guys. Home. Alright, and over here a new home. What are the chances? I removed this card in front of you. Alright, this is so amazing. So definitely some of you guys are going to move into a new home. Alright, I hope you're writing it down, guys, so that you can always check quarter wise how my quarter was. Let's see what the god, goddess are telling you. You got over your love, harmony and friendship, and you did get the card of friendship as well. So the year is going to be around love, harmony and friendship. So a lot of toxic people also leaving your life, yeah, and good people coming. Let go. See, I just said toxic people leaving your life. So let go. So let go of all that which is not serving you. That's why the purification card you got from goddess White Tara. You got over your, my god, this is third confirmation of friends. Alright, you did get over your friendship. You did get in one of the cards over here, friendship. So friends are going to be important. You may meet someone via friend which may help you in love life or your career. Okay, you have got over here an engagement ring, or you may buy a ring. You got over here a baby. So some of you may get pregnant, or you may have new beginnings. You have got over here angel, alright, and Zadkiel. So a lot of forgiveness, and you did get the card of did you get the card of forgiveness? I'm not sure. Alright, so a lot of forgiveness and prosperity coming your way. Group 3. Wow, that is so lovely, amazing. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question, Group 3, and let me spin the wheel for you. There we go. Soon. So whatever you asked for, the answer is soon. Alright, Group 3, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. Take care, guys. Have an amazing 2022. Take care. Bye-bye.